Today we are going to start the next topic, that is the limitation beta. Okay, limitation. If you are talking about the accountancy or accounting, when we are talking about limitation of accounting beta, so they have no any limitation of accounting. But why the limitation of accounting is coming? Because the accounting will done or run or create by the person, and any type of limitation of that person will as a limitation of accounting. Okay beta, because of that this whole accounting will done by the person, and when the person will done the accounting, so that will, if any type of problem will faced by the person, so that problem will come in the accounting also. On the basis of that we are talking about some limitation of accounting. Okay beta, now the first limitation is
influenced by the personal judgments.
it's just disturbed by the personal knowledge. The person who is doing this accounting, if their knowledge is not good for the accounting rules and regulation, so his personal justice, his personal knowledge, his personal decision will just affect the accounting. Because if they didn't know about the debit and credit, if they didn't know about the personal account, real account, nominal account, they didn't know about the expense and income, they didn't know about the which expense is treating as like a capital expense and which expense treating like a revenue expense, so then they are not able to do the accounting, and that is a like a limitation, that is a like a limitation for accounting. Okay, next is
Based on accounting concept and conventions.
that accounting is based on the concept and convention. If you are not following that concept and convention, then your accounting is not working. Okay, what answer or what result will come by the making of that accounting, that is not right if you are not utilizing the convention and rules and regulation of accounting. Okay beta, because is that all the accounting rules and regulation, they are not any scientific rule or regulation beta. Okay, that is like a only some rule or regulation which is making by the person only, which is making by the person only, and year by year some correction is there, and now we are taking the best possible way to accounting. Okay beta, so we cannot say कि we are only based on the some rules, we are also following some new and additional rule and regulation. Okay, next,
Incomplete information.
in advantage we are talking about the complete information. Yes, accounting is given the information completely, but they are not giving the information full complete information about the business. By the accounting we cannot decide of future planning, because what is given by the accounting, what information is given by the accounting, that is based on the past data. Okay beta, and that information, it's not said that will apply for the next year or not. Okay, the accounting is not given any futuric data. This year we are getting the 2000 profit, so then sure and certain next year you are getting the 3000 profit or 1500 profit. No, this type of any information, any qualitative information not given by the accounting. So we are saying it's not giving the complete information of the business or complete accounting information. Okay, it's given the many type of information beta. It's given, it's right, but not complete information, because it's given only quantitative information, 2000, 5000, 100, 200, 2000 unit, 8000 unit, but not a qualitative. On the basis we can take the decision of the future, or on the basis we are decide about the future, that type of information not given by the account. Okay beta, next.
Omissions of qualitative information.
Why that same thing I am saying, omission of qualitative information. In this accounting we didn't give any type of qualitative information, means the information on which we can take the decision, information on which we can take any future data as like that. The accounting is not giving the information about the next year profit. They are not giving the information about the next year loss. They are not giving the information about next year expense. Last year expense they are given, but not next year. Okay, on the basis we cannot take the any decision. So the accounting is not giving any type of qualitative information. Okay beta, quantitative it's given the quantitative, but qualitative it's not given. Okay beta, next.
Based on historical costs.
Historical cost. First you have to know about what the meaning of historical cost. You are to start the business in 2001. Okay beta, and now 2021. What assets you are purchasing in 2001, that is based on that cost on that day. If you are purchasing any machinery, that is based on that day cost. You are purchasing any building, that is based on that day cost. So we are following that cost, our old cost, our historical cost. We are not going to follow the cost which is going on at this time. Okay beta, we are not going to show that cost. You are purchasing or building in a time of 2001. Maybe that cost is 80,000 only, but is the time maybe that cost will on 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 8 lakh, 9 lakh. But we are showing that building or that machine or that type of assets only with the cost value of same, which when we are purchased that way we are following. Okay beta, so we are following the historical cost. Next.
Affected by window dressing.
Affected by window dressing. I think you didn't know about the window dressing. Window dressing means wrong information, means manipulated the information. Information is given, but if any person is want to give the wrong information, wrong data, so they can easily give. Because if you are purchased to a 200 rupees goods, but you are entered 2000 rupees, the first entry you are doing was the 2000 rupees, so then that 2000 is going on in account. Okay, but you are giving the wrong information. It means manipulated the information, manipulated the data is called window dressing. If they are presenting the wrong data. Wrong means manipulated data. Here is not like that, we are just didn't show that data. We are showing, but with the wrong amount, with the wrong debit or credit, with the wrong side. Okay beta, we are going to show, that is called window dressing. Okay beta, next.
Unsustainable for forecasting.
Accounting is not foolproof for the forecasting. I think you well known about what is the meaning of forecasting beta. I think you all well known. The future data, the future decision. So on the basis of the accounting information, you cannot take any type of future decision, because that full information is based on the basis of past data. But many type of situation will change in future, so you cannot tell any type of futuristic things or make any type of future plan on the basis of accounting, or you not take any type of decision on the basis of accounting, your futuristic data or basis of your account. You cannot take any decision on the basis of account. Okay, next.
Assets.
Next topic.
So qualitative characteristics of accounting information.
Qualitative characteristics of accounting. Now, before that, we are seeing quantitative characteristics. Now, qualitative characteristics. Okay, beta. What type of quality available in accounting? Okay, first is
Reliability.
first is
Reliability.
not as reliability.
Reliability.
Reliability, relevance, and
The relevance and understandability,
Okay.
Comparability, faithful presentation.
Understandability, reliability, reliable. These are there. Now, first is the reliability. Reliability means what data we are presenting, they are reliable. Reliable means Vishwasni is there, na? Reliable. They are relate with the form. They are relate with the business. They are relate with the terms. They are relate with the period of the business. Okay, beta. That will sure and certain presenting all the data which is relate with that period of that business. The data which is presenting by the accounting that should be related with the business that periods. Okay, beta. Next,
Relevance.
relevance. Okay, that data is really relate with the debit or credit terms and condition, that capitalized expense, revenue expense, capitalized income, revenue income. On the basis of that we are presenting. If we are presenting the data for 2001 to 2002, so that data is related with the only 2001 to 2002 only. Okay, beta. Relevance, relate with the relate. Next,
Understandability.
the data which presenting by accounting beta, that is follow the some system, some rule and regulation. And if you know about the accounting system, you can easily understand what is saying or what is presenting in this data. Okay, what is presenting in the book of accounting. If you are knowing about accounts, if you didn't know about the accounts, then maybe you are faced some problem to understand what is given by the this data. Okay, but if you are knowing the accounting, you are the commerce student, you are the knowing the commerce things, so then you can very easily understand the all information or all transactions or all ledger, trials, trading, PL, balance sheet, all the things you are easily understand. It's very good way to presenting the all data in our accounting data. Okay, so it's very easy to understand. Next,
Comparability.
when we are following the accounting for continuous year, so in the accounting, many things presenting in the same way. Every year, same way. Every year, we are going to maintain trading PL balance sheet, trial balance, so we can easily compare the 1 year balance sheet, trial balance, trading RPL with the other year. Okay, beta? And we are easily compare one business trial balance, trading PL balance sheet with the other business, because all the business is following the same double entry system. Then we are easily tally the both data of the different type of business. As like that, you are studying in the same school, so you can tally your mark sheet. Okay, beta? Tally na, because both the mark sheet is following the same rule and regulation, same system. Okay, same way in accounting, they are following the double entry system, so we can easily tally the accounting for the 1 year to other year, accounting for the one business to other business. Okay, beta? Next.
Faithful presentation.
We are presenting in system. Okay, beta. When you are start the accounting, beta, na, now so you are only going with the theory. Okay, when you are going to start the accounting, just see one journal. In journal, we are making one pro forma. We are following that pro forma only. We are presenting the journal entry in the same pro forma. Same pro forma. Okay, beta. Then we are going to make the laser. Laser, one pro forma for the laser also. Then trial balance, one pro forma for the trial balance also. Then trading and PL, some pro forma for the trial trading and PL also. Okay, it means in accounting we are following the different type of set pro forma. Okay, so we are presenting in some systematic way that is very easy to understand. Okay, beta. Next,
So that's it.
role of last of
Accounting.
Role
Role
of
of
accounting.
what role of accounting? First is
Role of a language.
role of
Language.
language. This accounting is given like a language, as like a English, Hindi, beta. By that you can just convey your things to others, na? By the English Hindi, we know about the English and Hindi, you can easily convey to others. Same way, by the accounting, what data you create, what things you are written in accounting, what things you are presenting in accounting, by that you are easily to communicate others also. Okay, so it's like a language. It's like a language, beta. Okay, next,
Role of historical records.
roll off.
Historical record.
Historical records.
Historical record. We are going to start our business from 2001. Okay, beta? And from 2001 to 2020, we are making all the data. So we have to historical record, na beta? We have to data about the 2001, 2, 3, 4, and that is like a historical record because we are making our accounting continuously. We are taking the data in our accounting. We are maintaining the whole accounting for our business. So we have the historical data. Many business, they are working from the last 50 years, 100 years back. Okay, beta? Many businesses there. Okay? 50-year-old business. They have to data from the last 50 years because they are maintaining accounting. Maybe that accounting is not following the double entry system, that accounting was followed under that time other system, but they have the data because they are doing the accounting. Okay, beta? Next.
Role of determining the net profit.
Determining when we are going to make the trading and PL and balance sheet, beta. Okay, trading PL and balance sheet. This is very important for the business. In any business, we are going to maintain the accounting. So when we are going to close the accounting, not close the business, close the accounting year, that period, 1 year period, we are going to maintain. We are going to close. That is going on the two type of periods data. One, 1st April to 31st March. Okay, and one 1st Jan to 31st December. So maximum business is followed 1st April to 31st March. So on 31st March or before 31st March, we are going to close our accounting, and by that we will known or easily decide or give the result of our business, that is getting the profit or loss. Okay, beta? Next.
Role of determining the financial position.
When we are going to maintain the balance sheet, and by the maintaining of balance sheet, because in the balance sheet we are showing assets and liability. Okay, beta? So we well known about our business financial position of our business by the maintaining of balance sheet. Next.
Role of information system.
Role of information system, beta. This accounting is not only for the maintaining of accounts or maintaining of data. They are also given the information of businessmen, management, other resources, outsiders. These all they are giving the different type of data. Okay, these are given the information about the trading, PL, profit, loss, debtors, creditor, cash, credit. Okay, these all information given by the account. Next.
Role of service provider.
Role of service provider. They are the person who is given the business, who is given the service. They are also maintaining the accounting, and by that accounting, they are well known about his expense, income, and his profit loss. Okay, beta. Next.
So that's it.
Okay. This is finished for the today topic, and I think this chapter also finished. First chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we'll start the next chapter. Just revise.